Good morning, everybody, and welcome to week 3 of Principles of Management. This is your professor, Dr. Neil Armstrong. Hope everyone's having a great week and enjoying the class so far. In Module 3, we're going to be looking at entrepreneurship and organization for action. So let me go ahead and scroll down the week, show you the goals for the week. We want to describe why people become entrepreneurs and what it takes on a personal effort level. We'll summarize how to assess opportunities to start a new business, common causes of success and failure, discuss common management challenges, and kind of look at the 4 dimensions of organizational vertical structure, and give examples of the 4 basic horizontal structures of organizations. So that's kind of what we're looking at. We're reading chapters 6 and 7 of the textbook this week. Let me go back to the class as well to see our assignments. Looks like our assignments are, we have a discussion board post, and we also have an assignment due this week. Definitely post early enough for me to actually respond to you so you can respond back as well, or to another member of the class. I want to make sure that everybody's getting full credit on this and full points, so please work with me to help you succeed in this class. If you have any questions or need anything at all, please feel free to let me know, and you guys have a great day and evening. See you in the discussion board.